Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to change the menu font size in your Shopify store. First, you need to go to any of the AI like ChatGPT. From there, you have to write the prompt to give you the code. Copy this code which you will get in response. After copying the code, you have to go to My Store again, where you have to go to the online store option. In themes, where you can see that there is an option of three dots and customize, you have to go to the three dots option where you will see the option of edit code. Click on edit code option where you will see on left side the option of theme liquid. Click on theme liquid and you will see this code. After that, you have to scroll down at last and just before the body and HTML, you have to paste that code. After pasting that code, you have to make sure that you can change the font size after pasting this code from here, where you can see it is 18, but I want it bigger one, so I will change the number. And after doing that, you have to click on save option here. Click on save option, and then after coming back here, you have to check that if it's working or not. Then you have to go to this option of view your store. After clicking on it, it will take you to your store, and as you can see, the font size is already bigger than before, so the code is working. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.